Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the Blue Diamond 15-piece stainless steel Tri-Ply cookware pots and pans set. This is a big one, so buckle up as we explore every detail. Let's start with what you get in the box. This isn't just a few pieces. You receive an 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch frying pan, a 2.5-quart chef's pan with a lid, a 3-quart and an 8-quart stock pot, both with lids, and a 3.75-quart sauté pan also with a lid. But that's not all, they've even thrown in a pasta strainer and some essential nylon kitchen tools, including a slotted turner and 2 spoons. That's a comprehensive collection designed to handle almost any cooking task. Now, what sets this Blue Diamond set apart is its construction. It features a triple-layer Tri-Ply stainless steel body. This means there are 3 layers of metal, with stainless steel forming the outer layers and a responsive aluminum core in the middle. This design is crucial for achieving excellent heat distribution, meaning no more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. It's built for superior browning, searing, and sautéing, which are fundamental techniques for achieving delicious results. The real star of the show, however, is the nonstick coating. Blue Diamond boasts their diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating, which they claim is 5 times harder and lasts 10 times longer than traditional nonstick surfaces. This is a bold claim, and the fact that it's metal utensil safe is a huge plus. We all have those moments where we reach for a metal spatula by accident. This coating is also engineered to be toxin-free, which is a significant selling point for health-conscious cooks. It's completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, offering peace of mind during meal preparation. Versatility is another key aspect. This set is designed to work on all stovetops, and importantly, it's induction compatible. This is fantastic news for anyone with an induction range or considering upgrading to one. The responsiveness of induction cooking combined with the even heating of this Tri-Ply construction should make for a very enjoyable cooking experience. Beyond stovetop use, the set offers impressive heat resistance. The stainless steel bodies are oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass lids are also oven safe, though at a slightly lower temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a world of possibilities for finishing dishes or cooking entirely in the oven. Comfort and practicality are also considered. The handles are made of stainless steel and feature a unique V-shaped cutout. The idea behind this design is to help keep the handles cooler during stovetop cooking, preventing those accidental burns. Furthermore, the angled handle shape is designed for space saving. They're engineered to stack easily, which is a godsend in kitchens where storage space can be a premium. Cleaning is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but Blue Diamond aims to simplify this. The set is dishwasher safe, which is a great convenience. They also mention that most messes wipe away effortlessly, which is usually the case with good quality non-stick surfaces. Looking at the description, Blue Diamond emphasizes their most innovative collection yet. The triple-layer craftsmanship with the aluminum core extending up the walls of the pans is highlighted for eliminating cold spots and delivering responsive performance. The Midnight Diamond Non-Stick, a sleek update to their classic coating, is again mentioned as being free of harmful chemicals. The oven and broiler safety up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and the induction-ready design are reiterated. Finally, the stackable handles are praised for their sturdy grip and ease of storage. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, you have an extensive set with a wide variety of pieces, a robust Tri-Ply stainless steel construction for superior heat distribution, a highly durable and healthy non-stick coating, wide cooktop compatibility including induction, excellent oven and broiler safety, and practical features like cool touch handles and stackable design. The inclusion of essential nylon utensils is also a nice bonus. However, no product is perfect. One potential con could be the learning curve associated with a new cookware set. While metal utensil safe, it's always wise to be cautious with any non-stick coating to maximize its lifespan. The price point for a 15-piece set with these features might also be a consideration for some buyers, though it does represent a significant investment in your kitchen. The effectiveness of the Cool Touch handles can also vary depending on the intensity and duration of cooking. In conclusion, the Blue Diamond 15-piece stainless steel Tri-Ply cookware pots and pans set appears to be a very well-rounded and thoughtfully designed collection. It offers a compelling blend of durability, performance, health consciousness, and practical features that can genuinely enhance your cooking experience. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a solid foundation or an experienced home chef seeking an upgrade, this set is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.